I was doing something wrong in that last video. I was writing something improperly. It's this right here. This. Now that makes sense, but there's a more proper way to do that using a dot. You can go. So the first thing we have is a 16th note, and then what we have followed by that is a dotted eighth note. Now the way to write those together is this eighth note comes up to that top flag, and then the dot follows it. And that's actually, now honestly, this looks a little bit more intuitive because you have two 16th sounds right next to each other, and this one has a longer duration there. Bumpa. But here is the proper way to write it. So this is a 16th, immediately followed by another sound, which will last for the duration of 3/16ths tied together. That's an eighth note is 2/16ths, and the dot is 1/16th. So bumpa, bumpa, yeah. Okay, and I've got a rhythm. I've got a rhythm using these here. Okay, so I've got 4 beats surrounded by 2 bar lines. Let me make this one more of a line. Okay. So I put an accent here. I want to make this better. Actually, I'm gonna let's change this to a. I made this earlier. Let's change this to a quarter note. And tie this to that. Yeah. Okay. That's complicated. And I put this accent here because it's even without it, I'm saying like the music needs that accent. Well, let's feel it. This goes. Take your time. Pause it. In fact, tell you what. Let's do it first without this tie. So now it goes bumpa, bum, bum, ba 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 ba. Okay, because it goes 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. I like how this just goes straight into the 4E and a. But notice how long. If we're gonna tie this to that, now we've got almost a half note of sound here. It's just that this last piece is a 16th note. We're taking that away from the half note. Therefore, it's got to be a quarter and a dotted eighth. All of that equals 2 beats, or a half note. Okay. So notice how, without this accent, I need this to be of such significance because it's so long. So it goes bumpa. Oh, sorry, bumpa, bum, ba 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 ba. Well, this is a big sound here, so I need to bring it out. Bumpa, bum, ba 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 ba. Or do it in a more artful way, but to come out with some rhythmic interpretation of this, which is appealing and which makes sense with what I've written. Bumpa, bum, ba 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 ba. Okay. So these ties really do make things complex. What if we tie this to that? Pause it and figure it out. But remember, this 4th beat here will be, the beginning of it won't sound, and it'll be immediately followed by 3/16th notes. 4 E and a. 4 E and a. Okay, from the beginning. Let me figure this out. Okay. Bumpa, bum, ba 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 ba. See, I didn't go ba 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 ba. I went ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. One more time. Bumpa, bum, ba 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 ba. It's complex. It's a complex sound. But you can study this and turn it into something appealing. You know, if you use all the scaffolding, if you need it at the beginning, that's fine. But your goal is to take it all off and to feel all 4 beats together. Feel how they go. And you can even string more than 4 beats. You can get long melodies of sound. Okay.